when to me and tia, then you come and tell me, say, or your better chain will be on nowhere to ya. Now, I'm call demonstration. No, I was expecting to see pay us our 3-year salary, like what we saw under Mahama. Pay us our 2-year salary. Pay us this. Pay us this. I didn't see any of that too. No, I didn't. Yes, your uncle resigned. Yet we are asking a finance minister that has paid some of these stupid MPs, has paid them since 2017 till now, NDC MPP. We are talking about a finance minister that has given Sosunum, Nkwasiasemfuo Nkwadaano, our mobile parliament, the NDC for the mobile parliament, no. Omana nkro no omudi ombe urewura wane se adokodon edibe urewura parliament wo ebetwa blade no ya jeje car loan na momo emo nne omo de da 4x4 mu. Guess who went for that money for them? The same finance minister. And now me no ka say NDC ahiafo bokafo wo mmegu free education. When they tia saka no the same finance minister. Me no can say one district, one factory is going on. One at this neighbor, one at this all these things neighbor, the same finance minister. Me no can say a year krona omuko vice president no. Ya ye womo akwanya mo. Sika be ne ye their finance ministry for kofa ba ye na. Na me ya na me kende me kasa asemu a voter region fo ni bi omo ho ambo papa. Ikro voter region no sa vote and for no. Most of you, papa. And it beats my mind, say, with all the intelligence Rollins had, most of you couldn't pick anything from Rollins. You are being used as a pawn for a party that couldn't help you. You are hooting at a vice president who has made zipline drone, ajemu voter for nkwa. Munkoche, yeba ye mona moje no more. And then na me person me body ama. I wanted to show evidence, real things. Ketekrachi bi wo ho zipline drone e boa mo hwan na de bae hwan the lead ye hwan na be commission mamo the vice president mutuwei first no upe wo mo ano mu di maid servant pa wanye seremoni a no ye igbeni meboa because ye no ne o maid fo bebere ntimi minim di America me say kane no upe maid ne na atena wanye igbeni a wo be ye seremoni we sumu mabo me meboa and the vote and alcohol so be no be crass on metina when chenkra metina store no ma wa. They are elevating themselves. They are putting themselves at position where they can win. They are studying. Look at their schools now. Look at the voter first. No, so upe brilliant and science math quiz for Abia. Say enye Kumasia na ye Cape Coast and then crying. Now sometimes go for their father Pope Joseph for Abefra. What were the schools? But then there, yenye school be a free keto, a free keta. School be a free keta. Akoda baby anke ya dene be kwa di maid servant. Akoda baby anka sabe ya be man akọ ware rough. Ama betwani bi e de akọ hima no and akoda no nam Harvard Business School. Free keta. President Kufuor akojiska me say President Kufuor tiase last ono abeka ye wakojiska yemfanye see defend emfa mamo na ma ban na moto abama no NDC no NDC aban no wo ba ya we be use scan de aye bibi foforo emende ensuo asen abetwi afa ye nuanom ketafo so ye nuanom ketafo omo no ba ye mfu omo do ye omo ejapade omo ayemboa ne omo niam ninara Mahama kopie wa no de emo 10 bags esichire 3 bags. That's how cheap he sees you people. The money that was supposed to protect you by building a sea defense wakopone ho kakra de ato 10 bags of rice, 10 bags of sugar. Say yem famremo. That is what you deserve. And then go to voter region, see how many kids are walking on the street. Obi Eko school. And then uko sremu a unkonya sremini za wone net now. Say na obeye ne maid servant. They say sa de no ubenya 1111 bi unya maid servant. aban na no na ehwe Ghana so yie ne de na made servant po pacho o ma me no ko pacho ante wona me bayin ntena ma me ohia no mentumi fa ne nko school nti wona ne ntena ma me na ye pacho me ma me na ye be pa ne cho de bia me gina me kamo ayi de je kumeyire de bia oni ayi ntena on say and they were happy to of course hey ukodi medu akra ufri voter srem ukodi medu akra share oso bana no ba ukrom a unye easy o made servant no ba ukrom a unye easy and the kufuado ne ba omi say hey la o yempene aden na ye say ye dem ye made servant na me ama onim de etumi so betumi asua de kusua de uwie JSS ya ko SS mehwew uwie SS ya beje bosia guarantee free student loan na fa ko university ebia na wutia ye uwie SS no kra na some say Francis Calamini no scholarship bia fawo onenam Harvard Oxford ne ade en kane no papa ni bia wona hwan na wako Oxford and the Francis Calamini others ni aba mu eyo baby omedu say Cynthia you are welcome. We are looking for an alternative to the problems. You people went there and told us say yen sake president. Brother Roman, you are welcome. Based on what? I said, Brother Roman, I was hoping to see say these people will say yentia say we need this. No. The dollar, which is not their currency, is what they are going on demonstration on. Then you look at the people that came to the demonstration, the 50 people that came. The 50 people that came for the demonstration. What they are showing? Oh, they just look at the people that came for. Now, I mean, yes, I'm a day freezy. I mean to member. Now, I will tell NDC people something. Say, oh man, say, ne accident is here. Ne you gruesome. And so abatwa na papa we pese to maninti or see your bar or bemana illegal. Minion mukada for mumma me 2 minutes pe na me fanchere madibi. Hwe Okada ya ye no illegal ewo Ghana. Enu nti se mpo se ye papa mahama wa adwene bi se or the beye illegal. First and foremost ebeko parliament. NDC ni MPP for ene wo. Na picture say ene ya apai. Nanke beye den no de sa Okada na ye den aba owia ye de ko Supreme Court akọ gazette na no abeye mra afi ye de beye adwuma na ye de akọ Interior Ministry Urban Planning ne ade Road Ministry for so abehwe say ye be yi Okada kwan anaso Okada for no om route beye sen na ya ye sa niam ne paperwork ni na wi ansa ne aka say afi de Ghana ne kono kuchi Okada President bia bedi ade a what me achiche ne cabinet to kura wi ntemo aye 1.5 years etu o wi a onfa sa ade we nko court MPP for ye ne yempene NDC for ye yempene ye yemfa nko Supreme Court yenko ye ni bibia nwi a yenka sa fe de Okada be legal no na ne 4 years na ohwehwe ne wadi awi Okada wantwi Okada o wadada 2020 year bio osai ko gina ho me see me ni mo hwe kura no one thing can le no kura in like when it comes to our Muslim brothers they are cops anas gbonu we say kan efunu ya de a omo fefunu ponto ho inti po no